Lovely Vlogs. Today in this video I am going to share with you how I have organized my dressing table. I believe you will get some ideas about the makeup products I use and also the way I have organized my dressing table. I bought this dresser from a local furniture store for just $50. You may think why I say just $50. Buying a dresser for affordable price that meeting all our expectations is really difficult. When I bought this dresser, it was wood finish. I painted black to match my mirror and also my bedroom wall color. I painted so perfectly following the directions like sanding and then gave a primer and then painted black. As a result, this dresser has a good lifetime of 4 years. I'm sharing these informations with you so that it will be helpful for you in case if you are planning to buy a new dresser. As you can see, this dresser has 3 drawers which helps me to segregate my accessories in different ways. On the top, I have used a beautiful floral pattern table runner for look and feel and also to protect the dresser from dust. I love flowers, so I have a beautiful flower vase on my tabletop which enhances the beauty of my dresser. I've kept my makeup brushes in glass holders. It is not a good practice to leave your makeup brushes open as it absorbs germs easily, but in my case, I frequently wash my makeup brushes and also I hardly find dust in my bedroom. Let's have a look into my first drawer. I have used 2 organizers from IKEA. These organizers have different compartments which helps me to segregate my makeup accessories. In the first 2 compartments, I have my nail colors. I'm a big fan of Sally Hansen. As you could see, many of my colors from this brand. I love nail art. I like to explore many colors. You would expect many of my nail art videos in the future. And I also have a few other colors in Revlon which I bought recently. Next compartment I have all my foundations, primers and concealers. This is my all-time favorite foundation, liquid foundation, and this Milani, you could see that in India. This is MAC. This is suitable for all Indian skin types. And the concealers I have is Tarte, which is the best concealer I could say. And the other one is Maybelline, and Maybelline Age Instant Rewind Eraser. This is suitable for all skin types. And I have another foundation, and I also have few other primers from MAC, L'Oreal. Yeah, that's it. And the next compartment I have my setting powders like Laura Mercier, which is the best setting powder I could say, and the other one is Too Faced setting powder. And I also have a few bronzers like Milani and a bronzer from MAC and a setting powder from MAC and also another setting powder from Smashbox. And in this compartment I have all my setting sprays. This one is from Anastasia Beverly, which is a dewy setting spray, and the other one is Pixie Glow Mist. And this one is Milani Prep and Brighten oil, face oil, which you could use before foundation. And the other one is Urban Decay setting spray, which is my all-time favorite setting spray. And these keychains are gifted by my hubby. I have kept this as a remembrance of our trip to Wisconsin. And in this compartment I have my highlighters. This is Tarteus Pro Glow highlighter, which is a liquid highlighter. I'm not happy about this because this product is difficult to blend. And the others are Smashbox, Laura Mercier, MAC, and I have a beauty blender. So these are all the stuffs I have in this compartment. In this compartment I have my lipsticks, Smashbox, Stila and MAC. MAC is my all-time favorite. I love MAC. And next comes all my glosses, lip glosses, glitter glosses from Sephora, CoverGirl and Laura Mercier. So these are my nude and glitter glosses. And then comes the Maybelline lipsticks and the YSL, which is a new brand added to my makeup. And then comes Urban Decay and then Estee Lauder. And I have a lip powder in Revlon. This is a very different one. And then Fenty Beauty, which comes in a glamorous pack. In this compartment I have all my gel liners, and that one is NYX eye primer, and I also have few other gel liners. This is a eyeshadow from Sephora, and I have a sharpener, and in this compartment I have my watch, Apple Watch, and the other watch is from Michael Kors. These both are gifts from my hubby. And this is it guys from first drawer. I love this setup as it helps me to avoid dumping more stuffs into my drawer. As a result, this gives a decent look whenever I open my drawer, and it also helps me to declutter so often and also limits my need. In the second drawer you can see 3 baskets, 2 baskets of similar type. In the first basket I have kept my earrings, and in the second basket I have my necklaces and bracelets. I have packed my earrings in Ziploc covers for easy access, and it also maintains the quality of my earrings. These accessories are very old, but it looks very new as if I have bought recently because of the packing. I'm more comfortable with this arrangement, so I don't need any specific organizer for this. And to be honest guys, I have too many stuffs and I don't even find an appropriate organizer for this. In case if I find anything in the future, I'll definitely share that with you. If you're interested to know about my earring collections, my makeup collections and other accessories, please leave the comments. I'll try to post the video in future. Come, let's see a few of my necklaces and the bracelets which I have in another basket. These are the few bracelets gifted by my hubby, rose gold and silver, sterling silver, and this is an oxidized beautiful neck piece which I have for very long time. These are few bracelets. As I have a separate packing for everything, this avoids the necklaces to get tangled each other. This is a beautiful neck set which comes with the earring. These are beautiful bracelets gifted by my hubby. This is bought from Pandora, which is a favorite store in US. This comes in gold, silver and rose gold. And in this basket I have all my eyeshadow palettes. This is an eyeshadow palette from Sephora which has the basic shades, and I also have other eyeshadow palettes like Urban Decay. This is a smoky eye palette, and Tarte from Tarte, and then from Morphe, and I also have another Urban Decay. So these are the eyeshadow palettes I have, and I also have some makeup removing essentials in this basket. Garnier cleansing water, and then nail polish remover, and some makeup sponges and cotton pads to remove makeup, and also makeup removing wipes. So these are the makeup essentials I have in this basket. I also have sunscreen lotion. This is for me, and I also have for my kids. This is a Aveeno baby lotion, and this is my body spray, and I have my perfume, Chloe perfume. And these are the essentials which I have in my second drawer. In this pouch I have all my bindis. I love bindis, but I don't wear it regularly. Only when I wear Indian attire or any traditional wear, I wear this bindi. These bindis are sent by my mom from India. This is my manicure set. This is a nail art set and you will have many tools to do nail art designs. I have taken many of the tools to explore many nail art designs. This is a pouch for holding all the makeup brushes. I have used almost all the brushes and now it is lying in the glass holders outside. This is a very good pouch. You can take this when you go for a travel or a trip. Now it's time to move on to the third drawer. So yeah, here in this drawer I have all my hair accessories. I have used baskets of different sizes. In the first basket I have my hair dryers, hair straighteners, and serum, hair serum, and then hairspray, and also some tools for hair straightening, and those stuffs are found in this basket. And I have a hair gel. So this is a hair straightener, professional hair straightener, and this is a hair gel, and this one is Tresemme hairspray. I love this brand actually. This is a hair protector. And one thing I just wanted to tell you, whenever you straighten your hair, you better use a hair protecting spray before you do straightening. That will protect your hair from damaging. So that is a very important thing most of us don't follow. And this basket I have all my hair clutches, clutch clips. And in another basket I have my donut buns. I love this hairstyle, this donut hairstyle. I love it. So I have donut buns of different sizes. These are the sizes for my hair length, and these are some small clutch clips. These baskets are so cute, right? I really love these baskets. And if you want to know where I bought this, I got this from Home Goods here in US. I use these hair bands whenever I wear high pony. I love these baskets because this comes in different sizes. And in this basket I have my rubber bands and hair clips, hair bands, and then few hair accessories. These cute little handbags are lying in my dresser for a very long time. I love these handbags. I take this out only during the summer. This cute little handbag has little compartments. One with the peach color. This is like a sling bag with a long chain. And I have few stuffs which I haven't opened yet. This is false lashes from Anastasia Beverly, and this one is a lifesaver in my lockdown days because I don't go to beauty parlors. So I'm using this to trim my eyebrows. These are the stickers for nail art. You can use these stones to stick on your nails. And one more thing guys, I have used liners in each drawer so that you can avoid stains from your makeup products, and it will maintain the quality of your dresser and also the look and feel of your dresser. Hope you guys got some interesting ideas to organize the dressing table. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will receive notification whenever I post new videos. See you guys in another interesting video. Till then, bye from Vinu. Bye bye.